Hello. I want to introduce you new bike, Trek Top Fuel 9.7 2020 year edition. Top Fuel 9.7 is a quick and nimble full suspension carbon mountain bike that fuses the efficiency of a cross-country bike with the capability of a trail bike. It's built with a lightweight OCLV Mountain Carbon frame, a 120mm RockShox Reba fork, 115mm of rear travel, and a dropper for serious fun on flowy trails and techy descents alike. It's the kind of unicorn bike that shreds single track, stands up to the rigors of endurance racing, and even gives traditional XC bikes a run for their money.